Ah, I don't like that feeling. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve and my good friend, my daughter is here.
Hi, it's Gordonglamzy. I'm back. He's been hiding me in the closet for like a good 2 years now, and I'm back.
Yay! So today we're doing what is the word?
It's a very extreme plastic doll look. It's the Maison Margiela look from the recent fashion show that they did, and it was incredible. It broke record. It's all over the internet right now. So Steve was like, you know what, maybe we should hop on this trend while it's still hot.
Let's get started this really cool step-by-step how to do the video, and you guys definitely have to check out Andrew, his video. Let me see, can I plug in a little his video?
That breakfast in bed, that breakfast in bed, got me living rent-free in your head. A sweet ass peach is better when it's red. That breakfast in bed, that breakfast in bed.
So you can follow him. He's a very talented, amazing artist. Of course, amazing makeup artist too. Alright, let's get started.
So we're gonna block out Steve's brows, and I'm just gonna use a little bit of Got2b glue gel, and by a little bit I mean a lot. So I'm just taking the spoolie and the Got2b. Oh my god, don't scare me! I almost farted. Alright, so I'm just brushing the gel into his hair, and I'm using quite a substantial amount.
3 camera going on here, and doing 3 different social media. We need one more for live. We're gonna go live for 2 hours.
We literally can, but then that would just make us take forever on the makeup. And for everyone wondering why I'm using the Got2b glue gel, is because it's a lot safer on skin. My mother's brows are laid down, so we're gonna use the Extreme Contour palette number 2. And we're taking a color corrector in this rosy color here, right there. And this is going to help color correct the deep, dark black hair color. Neutralize that, and then we're gonna set it with powder. We're gonna go in with the One Size Ultra Pink because, again, we want to help color correct against.
Where aren't you the spokesperson for them?
Well, I'm one of the models for one of their campaigns.
Yeah, right.
It's me! Alright, now that we're looking very spooky-ooky, we have to do the complexion part. So we're gonna get into foundation. I'm gonna do some really nice cream foundation to really just moisturize the face, keep it very doll-like. And yeah, so let's get into that foundation. We're getting into the brand new blush from Patrick Star. It is Girly Pop, and since Mr. Steve Jen is wearing pink today, we're going to amplify that color on the face. Ooh.
Looks good.
What a dog pink is.
So what we have with makeup done now, what's next?
So yes, that's kind of like the color in the base. Now we're gonna draw the doll-like brow. Not bad, Steve, not bad. Now I'm gonna do a nice little cherry lip with the One Size, and I think this is a One Size Red. On the top and the bottom lip a little bit. The Maison Margiela lip is kind of blown out on the sides. They really focus it on the top, on the bottom, and the centers of the lip. It's giving 1920s. It's giving blown out blush like my grandma. Cute. I have to get dressed, by the way.
Based on the instructions, we're using this clear gloss, thin layer all over the face, avoid the eye area and lips. Let this dry. Then we are going to apply the
Iconic mask.
But we need to mix this with water, put on the airbrush machine. I'm gonna try this now while he's getting his makeup.
Just my last brow. I forgot my brows. Let's see, how thick is it?
It's like a liquid. I feel we're eating lunch. Here's our lunch.
Let's try a new skinny girl diet.
I don't think we need a lot. So let's just say thin layer. Okay, there we go. just because I pat it. Does it take away all the makeup? No.
No, it's just a glare.
So instead, I'm gonna tap it just in case. Oh, I can smell that very strong.
Oh, would it?
Like alcohol.
I should brush it. Whew. Oh, hello. Someone's clean. Right, let's see how this goes. May I use this?
Yeah, that's for you.
This is a Dolce & Gabbana brush.
Have Mcgrath, seriously.
Today we are using my little rock candy airbrush for the first couple of layers. I'm done. Alright, here we go. We have already applied our Listerine looking... I'm done. This looks so funny. We're avoiding... You okay?
The side.
Okay, let that first one dry. So smart.
I feel a little tightness in there. I really do.
This honestly feels really good.
Yeah.
Very refreshing. Wow. Wow! We don't even look like the same people anymore. But you look sickening. This is gonna be us after plastic surgery in 2030.
Ew. I don't like that feeling.
Ew! Oh, ew.
I think I just aged 2 years.
Literally. I am someone's dead grandma. It feels kind of good peeling it off. Yeah. Oh, there's my skincare.
Oh, I should refresh my makeup.
Ooh, lizard skin. How do I get my forehead?
Oh, my whole face all gone. Mine's all gone.
Mine had like pieces and parts to it. Oh, I'm taking this out of my hair.
Good luck.
I know. I'm gonna just go bald.
What's up?
Next challenge. Ew.
Mcgrath Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed it for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.